Hello everyone, welcome to our channel DIY with Kanchan. So today's tutorial is little different because in this one I'm going to show you which one is the best glue for decoupage art or for any other craft. And if you know any other glue than these, please do let me know in the comment section below. I will review that as well for you. So let's begin, and if you are new here, consider subscribing and hit the ring bell for the new videos I post almost every week. Now I'm going to take a piece of paper and I'm going to make these boxes, and I'm going to show you how exactly these glues are going to look in these separate boxes. And this is the pattern. I'm going to review them all starting from Mod Podge. Then I'm going to take Camel Gel Medium. Then I'm going to take this Little Birdie Decoupage Glue. Then I'm going to take Fevicryl Mod Podge, and at the end I'm going to take my homemade glue. So let's start from Mod Podge glue. So the quantity of this glue is 8 ounce, that means 236 ml, and this is a matte finish glue. The cost of the product written on the glue is $5.99. You can get this glue online much cheaper for about $405 in Amazon or any other online stores. So the consistency of Mod Podge glue is very thick, as you can tell, and the smell of Mod Podge glue is okay. So the next glue we are going to review is this Little Birdie Deco Magic Premium Decoupage Glue from Itsy Bitsy. This is a 225 ml glue, and this is a glossy finish. The cost of this is 220 rupees. This is very easily available in any of the Itsy Bitsy stores, or if you don't have stores in your city, you can simply buy it online as well from itsybitsy.in. The consistency is little thick, not that thin, and the smell is okay. Now the third product we are going to review is this Fevicryl Mod Podge glue. The cost of this product is 150 rupees, and if you buy in bulk, I think you get some discount from Amazon. This is 120 ml bottle, and this is also a glossy glue. The consistency is thick and the smell is super strong. Now the fourth one is this Camel Electrolyte Gel Medium. This is 100 ml and the cost of this product is rupees 280, and you can find this product in any of the stationery shop or any online stores. And the consistency of this glue is runny, or you can say it's thin, and the smell is okay. It's a kind of sweet smell, you can say. And last but not the least, I am going to take my homemade glue as well. This is super easy to make. You just need some glue, some water. Like for example, if you take 100 ml glue, you have to take 50 ml water. Just mix it nice and proper, and your homemade glue is ready. So I am going to include this homemade glue as well in the review. The consistency is running, and actually it depends on you how much water you mix in this, and the smell is like Fevicol. So after drying, this is how it looks. Now I'm going to show you a closer look. So here is Mod Podge glue. I am super amazed at how Mod Podge glue is glowing, and this is matte finish. So matte finish is also like super glossy. Next is Camel Gel Medium. I don't see any gloss in this. This can be used just to stick something or just to apply a normal glue the way we apply, and it doesn't have any shine. Next is Little Birdie, and Little Birdie has little bit of shine, but as compared to Mod Podge, it does not have that shiny effect. And next is Fevicryl Mod Podge glue. I am super impressed by this, and it has super glossy. As you can see, this is Fevicryl Mod Podge, and Mod Podge has same effect, and homemade does not have much glossy effect. So all in all, Mod Podge glue and Fevicryl Mod Podge glue has almost same effect, but they have huge price difference, as Mod Podge glue is like for about 400 and Fevicryl glue is about 150. Coming to Itsy Bitsy glue, that is also good, but it does not have the shiny effect as Mod Podge glue and Fevicryl Mod Podge glue has. But this is also okay, like the consistency and the quantity and the quality is too much. And Camel acrylic gel medium and homemade glue gives almost same effect, so why waste unnecessary so much money in that? You can simply make your homemade glue as well. So what you can do is you can use your homemade glue to apply the napkin papers, and then on above you can apply Fevicryl Mod Podge glue or Mod Podge glue to give the shiny and the glossy effect. And if you have used one of these, comment below and do let me know which one is your favorite. And do let me know how did you like these kind of videos of reviewing and comparing products. And if you want me to review something else as well related to art and craft, do let me know that as well in the comment section below. So that's it for today's video, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, do subscribe to our channel, and if you are new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.